मैं आपको आज जो तकलीफ दिया कोई ज्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन हम पार्टी में बैठकर एक एनालिसिस कर रहे थे तो हमने देखा कि अभी तक 10 एमपी गए हैं 96 को छोड़कर 75 के बाद लोकसभा नॉर्थ कश्मीर से 10 में से 9 एनसी के गए। तो हम देख रहे थे कि ऐसी क्या बात। एक बेग साहब गए हैं 2014 में। हमने देखा कि वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन दैट एनसी इज एबल टू रीच देयर इज बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रेगमेंटेशन ऑफ वोट्स। इनका जो वोट शेयर है फ्रॉम अ हाई ऑफ 60-65%, जब ये हमारे साथ तब हम दूसरे नंबर पर आते थे। 82 की बात है जब मेरे फादर थे पॉलिटिक्स में, तो टू 29%, बट दे स्टिल विन। आई विल गिव यू एन इंडिकेशन। इन 2019 4,55,000 वोट पड़ा है। 1,33,000 यानी कि 29% एनसी ने लिया। 3,22,000 वोट इनके खिलाफ पड़ा है, which is 71%. Yet they went there. For every one vote polled for them, 2.5 votes were polled against them. But that's what election is. So the reason I came here is that I've had some confabulations, is that I'm coming here to appeal to my very dear friend, Mr. Altaf Bukhari, that let us stop the division of votes in North Kashmir. I am, through this press conference, appealing to his good self that maybe it's time that they support us in North Kashmir. And as I have said earlier on, कि हम अनकंडीशनली सपोर्ट करेंगे बाकी जगहों पर, बिलखुसूस श्रीनगर में वो पार्टी जो हमें लगे कि चैलेंज दे सकती है, और वहाँ हमें लगता है कि वो चैलेंज दे सकते हैं। लेकिन वो दैट्स वन पार्ट ऑफ इट दैट वी इंटेंड to support them irrespective of the decision they take here. But we would make this appeal to them कि division of votes ना करें, let NT-NC votes together वो इकट्ठे आ जाएं, और जो mandate of people है which is to send a replacement, वो dream जो है पूरा हो। So that was the whole idea. तो इसके related अगर आपको कोई पूछना है, MSI see it नेरान से क्या होना
Sajjad sir, you are saying Apni party, but there is a outside statement from this Engineer Rashid party that he will also be contesting.
फिलहाल हमारी our confabulations have taken place with some leaders of अपनी party, and we thought that we'll keep that now transparent. That's why we are doing it. अगर हमारा confabulation किसी और से भी हो तो we will.
So you are open.
I am open to anybody, but as on date, I want to restrict this to अपनी पार्टी because उनके साथ हमारा confabulation हुआ। अपनी पार्टी के साथ हमारा confabulation So it is that hardly that does not matter. देखो, और एक चीज आपको, when you also shoot off questions at us, now 71% votes against NC. Are you telling me they are all stooges of BJP? They are all bought by BJP? Is BJP so strong in Kashmir that indirectly they have 71% votes? So when Mr. Umar Abdullah attacks us, he has to know that we represent people. He is attacking them. not us. So let him stop humiliating the people of Kashmir and let him come and attack us on issues. Because whatever he does, maybe he's doing it unintentionally, but they end up humiliating the people of Kashmir. Stooges, sellout, traitors. They're talking about people.
71%.
71%. ये 2019 का है. और बीजेपी कौन सी बड़ी तोप है यहाँ? They've got 1.2% vote in North Kashmir and 0.2% votes in Srinagar. Statistically, the votes they got is insignificant because we lost by 6%.